moving on to the next ayah, inshallah. The next ayah starts with iz. So this letter the is very soft, okay? This is not like z of English or z of Arabic, okay? This is like iz. So the tip of our tongue touches the tip of our upper teeth very softly, and that is how the comes. إذ إذ أوى الفتية فتية. Okay, then there is letter wow. We are going to shape our lips in a round position, and we will say أوى الفتية. So then again comes like fa with a bit more air. Fi فتية. Then whenever in Quran the ta and kaf comes with sakin on it, we are going to say like this fits. A little bit air is removed, okay? Like you can hear fit. So we're not going to overdo this, okay? This just comes naturally like awal fits yatu, okay. فتية إلى الكهف فقالوا ربنا. Okay, so ilal kahfi. So this word is repeated again and again of kahf because the surah is kahf as well. So like kahfi, you need to say it very correct because this is coming again and again. Ilal kahfi, kahha, kahfi, kahfi faqalu rabbana. So again comes fa with a bit more air. Fa. Okay, faqalu. And then qaf, we are going to say it strength. Okay, qa. This like this comes from when the back part of our tongue touches the hard palate, and that is how we say qa. You are not going to shape your lips in a round position. Rather, you are going to raise the back part of the tongue to make it sound heavy. Okay, there are two ways to make a word like heavy. The by shaping the lips round, the word does not get heavy. We just feel like this is getting heavier. Okay, this is not the right way. The right way to make a word heavy is by raising the back part of the tongue. Okay, فقالوا ربنا آتنا من لدنك. Okay, فقالوا ربنا. So then comes the letter ra. We are going to make it heavy because this letter has fatha symbol on it. Okay, whenever fatha comes, ra becomes heavy. Ra. Okay, rather than rabbana, we are going to say rabbana. Rabbana. Ba with strength. Okay, ba. Rabbana atina. So there is mad coming after noon, which is that whenever there is going to be this alif and whenever the next word starts with hamza, then we are going to prolong the voice for some time. And how much we are going to do this, you can count 4 on your fingers, and that is how much you are going to raise the voice. Okay, rabbana atina. Okay, so the next word is easier, right? Atina. Okay, atina min ladunka rahmah. Okay, so there is a rule coming here. Min ladunka, two rules rather. Okay, the one with green color and the one with purple color. So in the min ladun, this is called idgham without gunna. You need not to worry about the name, but I am going to tell what this is. That whenever there comes noon in sakin position or there comes tanween. Okay, but here this is noon sakin, and the next letter and the next word is starting with the next letter is like lam or ra, either of these two letters. Okay, here it is lam, so we are going to join the two together without doing gunna. Gunna means we're not going to stay like this mil, no. Okay, milla, that's it, we are just going to join milladunka. So the next rule says that whenever there is going to come noon sakin or noon tanween and the next letter is from the 17 letters, okay, we are going to see them in the PDF provided in the group. So the 17 letters come from which ka is one of them. So we are going to hide the voice of noon, like noon here. So you can hear again like whenever noon comes in sakin position and the next letter is from the 17 letters from which kaf is one of them. So we are going to hide the voice of noon like this, dun, rather than dunka. Okay, dunka. من لدنك رحمة وهيئ. Okay. Then the next word is رحمة. So ra is going to be heavy, and then there is this ha. Ha. Rah. رحمة وهيئ. So you would be wondering why I'm like, just staying for a bit on wow. Like I'm not saying rahmatan wa hayyi. I'm saying rahmatan wa hayyi. Okay, so because this is another rule which is called idgham with gunna. Okay, idgham with gunna means that whenever a letter is like whenever there is tanween, okay, noon sakin or tanween. Here this is tanween, okay, and the next letter is from the four letters like ya, waw, mim, noon. So here this is waw. So we are going to join the voice by staying for a bit, which is called gunna, like staying and making a nasal sound like rahmatan wa hayyi. Okay, so the next letter is ha, hayyi, hayyi. Okay, ha with ya with a bit more, strength, hayyi. Because after ya there is again hamza, so whenever hamza comes we are going in second position, we are going to make a little bit jerk like this, yi, yi. Okay, hayyi. وهيئ لنا من أمرنا رشدا. Okay, lana is easy, right? Lana min amrina. This word is also easy, but here raw is light, ri. But the next word has raw, ri, raw. Okay, because there here the raw has kasra below it, but here raw is in fatha position, so we are going to make it a bit heavy. Raw. Roshada, Roshada. So then there is this letter sh. So this letter it has this quality of like sound sh. Roshada. So we are intentionally going to make it a bit prominent like Rosha, sh, Roshada. Okay. I hope